my son, I called him and I had told him to pack a bag because I'm taking him somewhere, but I didn't tell him where I'm taking him. And I told him to pack a swimsuit, some pajamas, and an outfit because I booked the room. I am surprising him and his sister with a night at Great Wolf Lodge because summer's almost over with. And before we take our trip to Florida, I want to do something with my kids and spend time with them. So I'm going to do my best to record some content while I'm there, and I'm going to actually upload it to YouTube so you guys can see it as well. And if you're in the Houston area and you're thinking about visiting the Great Wolf Lodge in Webster, Texas, this is the video for you so you can see what to expect when you book your room. Follow along. Question: where do you think that I'm taking you? Speak up. You don't know where we're going? Why do you think we're going to Great Wolf Lodge? Because I thought you said we were going to Kalahora. Well, we're not in Austin. Okay, so why would you think we're going to Great Wolf Lodge? Y'all see Raylan back there sleeping? You don't know? So you don't know where we're going, huh? All right, so we're about 20 minutes out, guys. My hair look a mess because I took it down. I'm tired, and I want the kids to go have fun. But I will be back once we get there, and I surprise the kids where we're going.
When you first arrive, you have the lobby here. You're greeted by staff. They're really friendly and very amazing. You should have gotten a QR code where you can check in at the kiosk.
Got some extra blankets up there, closet. Got the restroom to the right, the hallway, the sink. The kids over here, bunk beds. They're hiding up there. Say hi, Ray Ray. You got this over here. There's no microwave, but there is a fridge. And then you got a table over here. You got the TV where I'm going to be sleeping. And then you come out here. We got a beautiful view from our room of everything that the resort has going on outdoors.
Now we headed to go find the indoor water park because what I didn't know is there was also an outdoor pool. But we were able to locate the water park by simply walking to the back of Great Wolf Lodge. So there's Raylan, there's a big brother, and now we're getting ready to head inside for an amazing time.
Water park.
Alright, so here is the water park, guys. To your left, you have a gift shop, you have the rides, you have your wave pool to the right, and then of course that's where you can grab some snacks and food if you're hungry. I do recommend to bring a towel to the pool. There's Raylan, y'all. There's their wave pool, and there's Lulu. They're having such a great time. She thought she could swim with her wings on. She was doing such an amazing job. I was so proud of her and her progress with her wings. Next, we're moving into the best zone, so stay tuned. And there's me and my baby. We're in 5 feet at this point. But she's still doing amazing. As you guys see her swimming by herself. We headed over to the lazy river to get some relaxation time in. There's the 2 kids having a great time. Raylan, of course, thinks she's grown, so she wanted to swim on her own, and she did not need mommy or her big brother to swim with her in the lazy river. There is also a baby section that I did not know either, but there's Raylan going down the baby slide. There is like a slide. There's also like little section where she can play with water. There's different little gadgets in a section where they can play with. There's water shooting up so they can run through the water, or they have this little table right here the kids can play on. I don't know about you guys, but Raylan seemed to have had a blast on the table. And then if you look behind, there's a few little things that just kind of has going with the water going out of it. And the kids seem to love it. They play with it a lot. Raylan doesn't seem to have enough of this baby section. And the kids are getting pretty hungry because we've been here for a few hours. So we decided to go ahead and head over to order some food on the kiosk. I ended up ordering some hot wings, Boyle got a burger, and of course my daughter got nuggets and a shake.
hopefully y'all can hear me. I ended up going with the strawberry cheesecake milkshake. Baby girl, she's eating some nuggets and fries. I got some delicious wings. Roy, what you get? A milkshake and a burger. The food is very delicious. The water park is good so far for the kids. They both having a great time. So I would definitely recommend it. I think it's a great family outing to get away, especially if you stay in the Houston area. Here's a water park.
Now we're going to head downstairs because it is time for the Great Wolf Lodge movie night and fun. Just a FYI, everyone gets together at nighttime. There's bubbles going, there's music going, kids are laughing and playing, and then at the very end of the night, they do a movie night.
Go, Ray Ray. Raylan's picked her first Build-A-Bear. And we got the ear bowls and the pajama. And then she's getting ready to do the stuffing. Look, you gotta stay there. We'll just put that right here. Put that right there. Now look. Ooh. Pretty. Look, what you did. Oh. Okay, Lynn. So pretty. Now you gotta give that pretty mark. Give that pretty mark. Come on. Wait, Raylan, wait. All right, now she's gonna tie it up and give you over there. Now give me a minute. Do you have a dress station? Go ahead. Oh, no, she put your heart inside already. Look, she's about to tie up your bed. Wait, stop. Look, she's almost done.
The wolves are calling us to gather around the fire. Get ready for the legend of Luna. The tale
Get your
of a
bear.
brave and unique wolf who longed to
Raylan,
belong.
go get your bear.
Our story will begin in just 10 minutes, so find a cozy spot by the fire.
Okay, y'all, so Rayla finished stuffing her Build-A-Bear with a staff member, and then she decided to head over to the station to get her bear dress. So instead of me stepping in to get her bear dress, she decided she wanted her big brother to help her. So he went ahead and got her bear dress for her. And then afterwards, we went ahead on and headed back out to the lobby where they did movie night. And then we headed upstairs so we can go ahead and grab some shut-eye because in the morning we will be attending the yoga class that they will be having, along with a few other activities that they're going to have tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching our channel. I hope you enjoyed yourself. If you're in the Houston area and you decide to stop at the Great Wolf Lodge in Webster, Texas, I highly recommend it, and I think that you guys will really enjoy it. I know for sure if you have little ones, they'll also enjoy it. I hope you guys have a great time there, and don't forget to comment below. Tell me how you enjoyed your experience. Feel free to share anything that you need with us. I'm new to this content stuff, so I'm trying my best to record content, but also live in a moment and let my kids have a kid-free, fun life. All right, guys. Bye.